Croeso gynnes iawn, Siân Davies dwi, a fi sy'n arwain y cwrs Nyrsio Maes Oedolion yn Ysgol Gwyddorau Iechyd. So I'm Siân Davies and I lead currently on the adult field course in the School of Health Science. So I'm a registered nurse with a coronary care background, as is the majority of staff on the programme. We bring with us a diversity of knowledge from different clinical environments, from critical care to research to community nursing, management and leadership skills as well. So if you come to Bangor, you can expect a broad range of courses that will enable you to progress under our validated Bachelor of Nursing programme. We teach you broad skills and knowledge, anything from the law, ethics, calculations, physics, chemistry, our aspects of our anatomy and physiology reviews. We will focus heavily on communication, and we particularly focus on teamwork. In the clinical environment, you will be facilitated to develop your knowledge and skills to high levels, and you will have assessments both in clinical and theoretical to enable you to develop as a professional nurse. Key to the programme is learning about what a professional is and what that means in light of the expectations of the Nursing and Midwifery Council Code of Practices and Standards. And we focus on these professional behaviours. You can expect a bilingual environment. Dwi di dysgu Cymraeg a dwi'n siarad dipyn. Dwi'n wedi cael ymarfer trwy'r gweithio yn yr ardal ac hefyd yn y Mhrifysgol, felly mae yna gwers ar gael I dysgu Cymraeg. So I've learnt Welsh. There's lots of lessons available should you need to learn Welsh. And whilst we operate in a bilingual environment, the themes that we review with regard to bilingualism are cross-cutting, so that people have language and cultural awareness and understanding, and that can be taken to any country, any environment, to understand the requirements of individualised person-centred care for appropriate cultural responses. Bangor and Wrexham are relatively small and friendly campuses. There's a good standard of accommodation. In our Bangor campus, it's a very vibrant student environment. There are approximately 10,000 students based in the Bangor campus. The Wrexham campus is more smaller, but that enables a strong community focus. There's lots of things going on, and the Wrexham students are able to join in via online links. So all student services are available to Wrexham. Within both environments, we live in a uniquely beautiful environment, and you have the mountains, you have the sea, not a bit further away from Wrexham obviously, but you can get there. So I think that really helps if you are learning and you are going to develop your skills in a very challenging environment, and understanding how you move to an area that will enable you to have good health and well-being is very much part of what it means to be an adult nurse. So Bangor and Wrexham do facilitate the environment for rest and relaxation, to ensure that you are well fit for purpose in order to go in and work in those extremely difficult environments within clinical practice. So they are good campuses to facilitate your growth as a person in addition to your growth as a professional. So you would have a warm welcome if you decide to take your course in Bangor. I've worked here for many years and thoroughly enjoy it. It's as everybody gets to know each other, and we're very supportive. We're small enough to be there if you want to talk to someone. Someone's always around, and we're small enough to know who you are, and to be able to facilitate your developments as a registered nurse. So a warm welcome.